I got information about children who are being trafficked and kept in Mayoge. Indeed, we recovered 83 children in the hands of one Namugera in Magamaga, who collects these children from different districts in Busoga in the name of offering bursaries. So I involved my district team, RDC, COW, and we effected arrest of this person. She's with us. We are working together with the district team to make sure that these children are given good shelter as we wait for their parents to come.
Abaana bano ndi nabo aye tiri nabo mu bumenyi bwaki obw'amateeka. Nze nsaba nti beene ng'abakulu bakama baifwe balinge mu nsonga danga abaana beereyo bajje ku isomero kuba kyenoonya abaana bakole ki basome.
Abazadde bange baba yafa, mama ye nga tiyeesobola, kati naamuyeida mwayamba abateesobola, yasooka yatwala mama nze zeena bantwala bansomesa.
Nali kusirikale nga ninga nalaluka nga nafira mama nafira baba nga wensanga wemba atwatulira omujaga nga tusula mu bidiba tulibe ibi nga buli kyetusanga kyetulya tulonda kasasiro mama waife yo naamu ne yatulonda yatuleeta nze obondo obudulizi bwange mama wange naamu.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.